I'm gonna show you how to easily connect your GoDaddy domain to Shopify. So to get started, you have to open your Shopify account first. And then from the Shopify account, you go to underneath lower corner left and go click settings. And then from there, just have to scroll down and go to domains right there and just click on domains. And then from there, just have to connect to your existing domain, which is your GoDaddy. And then from there, just have to paste your GoDaddy domain. So you have to copy the link of your domain and then go paste in this one. So you just have to click next. And then from there, Shopify will just wait for checking DNS records. So you just have to log in into your account. It may take a few minutes or a few hours, depends on Shopify. After Shopify confirms your domain, it will just automatically connect. So that's it. That's how you connect your GoDaddy domain to Shopify.